What's up, guys? We're gonna shower this gal. Yes, sir. We're gonna shower you, boy, 'cause you stink like poop. But, you stink. In the pooper you go. Hola, bebé. Limpiarle la carita, limpiarle la carita. Ay, mira cómo se agarra. Oh my god. ¿Qué, Chanel? ¿Qué te hace? That's it. Look at the messes. You make messes, doggy. You're so precious, mi amor. You're so precious. After 2 minutes of her drying herself, we're going in for seconds because she has so many pulgas. We're finally done giving her a shower. It was a successful night for my beautiful queen. Now here's the towel. Yeah, ¿verdad? Baby Yoda, the dark side.